Dear all, very good evening. So, as of now, I am at the Kachla Ganga Ghat. You can watch bank of the Ganga River. I am moving and I am watching live. Just my friend has already entered into the Ganga water for take a holiday, and I am trying level my best to explain on my word whatever is happening. There are number of the devotee has already come here every day by day. The month of the Shravan, in this Shravan month for take a cover, so you can watch. There are number of the shops has already placed bank of the river, and this is the place of the Kachla, and it is the first moment to come here for visit at this particular river, bank of the river Ganga. And I am capturing some my friend, both are my friend has already entered to put their slipper in their hand, and my friend Mr. Hardeep has already started taking a holy dip in the Ganga river, and there are number of the devotees are taking a dip, and some of the devotees has already, you can watch, they are decorating their cover and with the colors covered, and they will place, and it is the looks like a as like a bazaar market fully of the decorated with the small of the as like a box for fill the Ganga water from here. So anybody would like to purchase the any type of the box, so they can purchase and fill the holy water and take offer Bholej Shiv Shankar temple in their houses. So I am explaining by the moving, and after that I will take a holiday because it is necessary. As like I get a great chance to take a holiday in the Ganga river, so I will never miss this opportunity, and I would like to explain. You can watch. There are number of the devotees has already taken the holy dip in the Ganga river, and they are decorating their cover, and some you can watch clearly ki foliage are decorating and making their cover, and these are the undecorated of the cover. You can watch some of the devotees, some of the karigar, as like who knows very well how can we decorate. So these are the karigar decorating the cover, and some of the voting has already placed here. Anybody would like to take a round by the voting, so they can go for pay some of the charge, and after that they can go. So there are number of the, there is no much crowded here because it's not much crowded, better than the Haridwar, because Haridwar is a much better place. There are number of the devotees from the other state come at the Haridwar, but in this Kachla bank of the at this river, and a river is very wide and water flow is very not, I can't say it's very fast, not much fast, but we are not able to assume, able to say it's very fast. And some of the devotees are ready after wearing the life jacket, and they want to take a round in a river by the voting. So it is the moment to memorable in our life, and that's why I am explaining. I am trying level my best to express my feeling, whatever I am observing I am watching and try to explain so you can watch. And every shop has already put different of type of the prasad, and village come here, and after before getting up their cover, they offer the prasad of the Gangaji for purchase from the shop, and after that they take a holy dip in the river, and they start to going on their destination as like in their village where they have already offered the holy deep, holy water on their temple of the Shivaj and Parvati. So I tried to explain all of the things, whatever I am observing. So you can watch, and I am feeling very fantastic because it is the great moment for me. So I am just capturing and captured whatever I am feeling and explained on my word. So at the moment I have to stop the recording video, and after that I will enter in this water from this way, and I will after that I will start to take a holy dip into the Ganga river, and you can watch my friend are waiting. They are looking for me. Why are you not coming? You can watch. They are raising their hand. Come, Sarah, come on, Sarah, come on with us. Why are you not taking a holiday with us? And come on, you can watch. They are pretending. So, and some of the devotees are taking a bath. And it's not a deep water. Much sand has already nearby the bank. So I will go through this way. Thank you.